Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine, and in this collection you'll see the Happy Easter decoration ideas, Happy Easter centerpieces, Happy Easter table decoration ideas. Hope you like the video. Outstanding and most amazing celebration on Easter and the spring woods designs and spring centerpieces ideas. Easter and spring decoration are available on my YouTube channel. So guys, this collection is very fantastic, this collection is very outstanding. So watch my video, to like my video and to share my videos on daily basis. Easy Craft Videos is one of the best channel that provide you the outstanding and how to decor your home and how to decor your wall on different festivals. And this collection is all about the Easter centerpieces ideas in egg style. So guys, keep watching my channel and share with your family and friends.